Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. So first of all, go ahead to your WhatsApp, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on your settings at the bottom right corner. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to the chats right here, and then go ahead to the chat backup. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to just back up your chats right here. And basically after you back up your chats, and God forbid you deleted your messages, or something happened and your messages was gone and all that, what you're gonna do in order to get it back, just go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hold right here the WhatsApp, click remove the WhatsApp and delete the app. And after you double click delete the app, you're gonna just go ahead into your app store, Google Play, and basically go ahead and just type WhatsApp and basically download the app, and basically you're gonna be able to recover even the deleted files on your WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.